In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills for low ceilings that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FYC Folding Treadmills. The FYC electric treadmill is a lightweight and foldable fitness equipment designed for adults. It is made of alloy steel and has a maximum speed of 6.5 miles per hour with a maximum horsepower of 1.5. The product dimensions are 48.5 inches in length, 26 inches in width, and 8 inches in height, with an item weight of 53 pounds. The multifunctional LCD display allows users to track time, speed, distance, heart rate, and calories burnt, while the heart rate sensors and safety key provide convenience and safety during exercise. The treadmill also features a quiet and smooth 1.5 HP motor, a 5-layer shock-absorbing running belt, and a foldable design with transportation wheels for easy storage and movement. Recommended uses for this treadmill include running, jogging, and walking exercises. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus treadmill is a 2-in-1 folding treadmill with a powerful 2.25 HP motor, suitable for walking and jogging at speeds ranging from 0.6 miles per hour to 7.5 miles per hour. It features a non-slip running belt, multifunctional LED display, Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and app control for a convenient and enjoyable workout experience. The compact and foldable design makes it easy to move and store, while the sturdy steel frame and shock-absorbing design ensure a quiet and comfortable running experience. This treadmill is recommended for adults and is ideal for home or office use, offering a versatile solution for improving focus and fitness. Number 3. 3G Cardio Pro Runner. The 3G Cardio Pro Runner treadmill is a high-quality, residential-grade treadmill designed for adult exercise and fitness. It features a durable metal construction with a compact design that is both foldable and wheeled for easy storage and mobility. The treadmill offers a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and includes special features such as Bluetooth connectivity, shock-absorbent technology, and a spacious 20.5-inch by 58-inch running belt. With a powerful 3.0 HP motor and a maximum user weight of 350 pounds, this treadmill is suitable for high-speed and long-distance running. It also comes with built-in programs, fitness tests, and customizable workout options. Additionally, the product comes with an unmatched lifetime frame warranty, 5-year parts, and 1 year in-home labor, along with 5-star customer service. Number 4. XTERRA Fitness TR150. The XTERRA treadmill is a new, black, foldable fitness product designed for residential use. It is made of alloy steel and has a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The treadmill features a large 16 inches by 50 inches walking, running surface, making it suitable for users of various sizes and stride lengths. Its 5-inch LCD display provides real-time updates on speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. With 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings, users can enjoy a variety of workout options. The easy pull knob allows for convenient folding and unfolding for storage. This treadmill is targeted towards adults looking for a versatile and compact exercise solution. Number 5. NordicTrack T 6.5S. The NordicTrack Performance Treadmill is a high-quality exercise equipment designed for adults who enjoy running. It comes in a sleek black and gray color, made from durable alloy steel material, and has a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The special auto incline feature and 30-day iFit membership offer a personalized workout experience with live and on-demand classes. The treadmill is designed for compact storage with its innovative space-saver design and easy lift assist. With a 300-pound user capacity and various assurances for frame, parts, and labor, this treadmill is built to last.